You know, with all the videos that I make on XRP, somebody recently, and honestly, a couple of my videos, have reminded me that I wasn't always a fan of XRP. And I'll be honest, I wasn't, right? I didn't jump into crypto and be like, oh, XRP is this, right? Now, I always did jump into crypto and ask questions, but I didn't jump into crypto and go, XRP is the best thing ever and I need to buy it and hold it and continue to buy it no matter where it is, right? I was interested and I saw it in the beginning, but I wasn't the biggest fan of XRP as a large holdable position. And I'll talk to you about that. Um, but more or less talking about how people feel, some people feel now. And maybe, just maybe, you can change someone's mind to be like, well, XRP might be it, right? So let's talk about that in the video. Make sure you guys hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. You guys can check out my link for Patreon, for Twitter. That's in the description. You can also check out my link for BTCC if you guys are interested in leverage trading. It's a platform where you can get 10% deposit bonus. You can also get extra bonuses up to $10,055, 40% lower trading fees, and you can trade all the way up to a 500x leverage. So if you guys are interested in that, use my link. You only get this specifically when you use my link, so feel free to use it. In the description, at the top of the description, you guys can get trading today if you want to. You can also demo trade. So if you're not open to leverage trading right now and you're like, I don't want to risk it, I don't want to risk it for the biscuit, then I totally understand. You guys can go directly into over here. If you have the platform, you sign up, you can go into demo trading and you can start demo trading today. And they give you $100,000 to really trade with. And you can see here, like I have $103,700 in my account because I made a couple of trades, right? I have a trade in auction, I have a trade in Ethereum, but these are just trades in my demo account. Now, I also have trades in my live account, which I've been able to make a decent amount, well over $2,000, $3,000 or so in my, live trading account. I wanted to switch. And you guys can go and set up your own live trading account and start making money today. If you have any questions, reach out to me on Patreon, on Twitter, all those places, and hopefully you can get a breakdown of that and get some help with that. But anyways, XRP, we're talking about not being a fan of it. XRP currently stands at $3.03. It is up by 5% today. It's at a $180 billion market cap, and it's at a $6 billion volume day with 59.3 billion coins in supply. Now, I was not always the biggest fan, and I'll be honest. Right? People have called this out. They said, you used to say that XRP wasn't a good play for the long term. And that's right. I did say that. And that's when I wasn't educated in what XRP was. The only thing that I was educated when it came to XRP, sorry, the only thing that I was educated when it came to XRP is the fact that XRP was in a lawsuit. And the reason why was because I was interested in the beginning. I was like, what is XRP? Should I buy into it? It looks like a lot of people are interested in it, or at least they're talking about it. And the reason why they were talking about it was because of the thought of it being a unregistered security, was the fight with the SEC. And anytime I mentioned that, people were like, look, you need to stay clear of XRP and don't even be involved in it. Don't even research what's going on in it. And I was like, all right, but it does look like a good day tradable position, right? It moves a lot because of the news, right? The fight with the SEC, the lawsuit, and being involved in litigation. All of these things were just reasons as to why I can day trade the position. So I made money day trading from 60 up to $1 something, down to 40, up to 60, down to 40, up to 70. Like I made money as it was making moves and as it was falling down. But then I decided to research it. I decided to jump on the bandwagon because I researched it, right? I had people that insisted, hey, you should look into XRP a little bit more. Don't worry about what they're telling you outside here. Look into it a little bit more. And I said, okay, I'll look into it. I started looking into it, started doing some research, and I was like, this has all of the makings to be absolutely perfect. I don't know why the SEC is fighting this specifically. And it's not necessarily, as I looked into it, it wasn't necessarily about the SEC deciding to just continue to fight them. It was more about Ripple not giving in. to what every other company did, right? Whether it's Kraken, whether it's Coinbase, and Coinbase obviously jumped on to fight, but whether it was Binance or it doesn't matter what the position was or exchange was, they decided to give in and go, we'll accept the fine. We don't want to fight you guys. Ripple was like, no, we're not going to do that. We're going to fight this, and we're going to take as much time, as much money as that's needed in order to fight it. Because we know that you are in the wrong and you're looking to enforce, by punishment rather than just trying to learn what crypto is and try and make a new normal. And that's where I was like, this is it, right? I'm going to jump on the bandwagon. I'm going to be a part of this, and I'm going to consistently invest into it. Honestly, I thought I only need 2,000, 3,000 in order to get very far in what I'm holding. However, to make more of an impact in what Ripple's message is and what XRP's message was, I had to make sure that I was in, right? That I was all in on it. So 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, I just kept buying XRP and kept putting money in XRP and believing in XRP at 50 cents. And I made it to what some people would believe is the promised land, but honestly, we're just getting started. So seeing it get to a level of $1, seeing it get to a level of $2, $3, almost $4, some people might say it's over. It's not. It's not over at all. This is just the beginning. And for anybody that's like, should I jump on the bandwagon? It doesn't sound like a bad idea, right? Now, you want to make sure that you fit what you can afford and you also believe in it as well. Don't just jump on it because a YouTuber told you to do it, right? I believe in XRP above where it is. This is why I hold as much as I do. If I started from zero, right, where I have a lot that's invested in XRP now, if I started from zero and said I would put, almost all the money that I do have right now in XRP if it was available, because of the fact that I believe in XRP. And that's basically what I'm looking at. Right now, I'm looking at it as if I'm starting from zero and I will lose money as the market dives, as the market increases, right? I make money as the market increases. So I look at it a little bit differently than the way that I looked at it before, but I still believe in XRP in a huge way, in a large way. And jumping on the bandwagon, believing in XRP is not necessarily a bad thing just because it's at a $3 price point. You could have got it at $2.70 just recently, because it did drop down to about $2.70. But the reason why this video came up was just because I wanted to clear the air. Some people are saying, hey, he didn't believe in XRP from the beginning. And you're right, I didn't. But people can change, and you can too. Right? If you are a person that has always believed was against XRP, and now all of a sudden you're seeing something that's making you believe a little bit, you don't have to just continue to fight it because that was what you said in the past. I'll say, yeah, you were wrong in that case. Accept you were wrong. Get involved in being a part of XRP in a bigger way. Right? All you have to do is be invested in XRP and believe in XRP and stop speaking negatively about it, right? You can see the negative things, talk about those. You can see the positive things, talk about those. But ultimately, I have a positive view, a very positive view of where XRP is going to go, what it's going to be used for, how much it's going to be worth, how much I'm going to be able to make, and how much you guys are going to be able to make. Bandwagon's not too bad, right? You can say, oh, you just jumped on the bandwagon all you want. That's fine, right? I've been able to profit a heck of a lot and believe in this, not only just for the profits, but also for what it's going to be used for. So I want to know what you guys think. Is it good to even for someone to jump on the bandwagon right now at $3? Or do you believe that this is a bad idea to do so? I think it's going to go a lot higher than where it is. So seeing a $3 price point, yes, you won't be able to gain the same thing as us, that is held from 50 cents or even lower, but you still will be able to gain something in the long run. And you also will be able to gain something by being a part of the largest cryptocurrency in the world. It's going to be the largest. It's going to be the most used. It's going to be the most adopted. It's going to be everywhere. And I can't wait to see that. Guys, if you could hit the like button and hit that subscribe button, I would greatly appreciate it. Also, if you want to check out my link for BTCC, feel free to do so. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.